everyone. I hope you always healthy. Thank you for joining me today as we discuss a very important topic for our community economy. Marketing strategy for micro enterprises in Tasikmalaya. Imagine a bustling marketplace where local artisans and entrepreneur showcase their unique product. As we a story to tell. However, is today digital age, just having great product is not enough. The way we market this product can determine our success. Today, we will explore how micro enterprises in Tasikmalaya can utilize innovative marketing strategy to not only survive but thrive. We will discuss the importance of digital marketing, consumer engagement, and adaptive strategy that resonate will, with our local culture will reaching budding audience. Let's embark on this journey together to uncover this potential that lies within our micro enterprises and how effective marketing can elevate them to new level. This is our team, and I'm the moderator of our team. My name is Anggita.
My name is Zakia.
And my name is Andara Lambayung.
Here are some of the questions we will ask micro to support our analysis process. First question is, do you use social media for promotion? If so, which platform are the most effective in your opinion? Second, what is your long-term marketing plan to increase sales and expand the marketing? Next question is, what are some effective marketing strategies to overcome declining sales in order to attractive customer? Last question is, how up to optimize marketing strategy to reach right target audience. Jonah Food. Okay, first the result of the analysis of the micro enterprises Jonah Food are. First, use of social media. The platform used by Jonah Food are Instagram and TikTok. The effectiveness of the platform is not clearly mentioned which platform is the most effective. Although Instagram and TikTok are mentioned, it seems that they are more focused on branding and introduce their product despite being faced with many competitors on Instagram. Second, long-term marketing plan. They focus on prioritizing the taste and look of the product TikTok, which allow them to showcase attractive visual. Is a more favorable option on Instagram. Real content with competitor. There is not the detailed explanation of more concrete plans of their long-term strategy. Third, marketing strategy to overcome sales decline. The prioritize improving product appearance, test, and ship. This strategy focus on attracting customer attention to attractive product visual, which can be seen as a way to differentiate themselves from competitor. Last, marketing of optimizing to reach the right audience. They focus on brand recognition so then more people get know Jonah Food. There is no structured strategy to reach a more specific audience, but they stick to develop network through collaboration and participation in event. Next, this presentation will continue with Zakia.
Okay, thank you. I will explain this result of the analysis of Jasuke Donjo dan Pentol Jabrik micro enterprises. First is use of social media. The platform it uses is Instagram. Effectiveness social media is used more to let people know that they have a shop rather than to attract direct customers. So, social media here is more for notification and outreach, while sales are done on the ground. Second is long-term marketing plan. They want to add more outlets as a way to expand the market. The focus is on physical expansion rather than further development of the product or digital strategy. And the third is marketing strategies to overcome sales decline. Digital marketing is a major concern, but they still prioritize more direct field marketing. This could mean they are more comfortable with traditional approaches outside of using social media to its full potential. The fourth is marketing optimization to reach the right audience. They emphasize the importance of internal management in marketing strategy. The approach is more on the practical use of social media, although there is no in-depth discussion on how to optimize the strategy for more specific audiences. And next slide, I will explain the result of the third micro enterprises is Seger Amai. First is use of social media. The platform they use are Instagram and platform that is easier to use and effective in attracting audiences. They utilize TikTok's features such as interesting videos to introduce their products. Second is long-term marketing plan. They want to collaborate with other food products, especially food pairings such as spicy or salty foods that can be paired with fresh drinks. This indicates an attempt to expand the market in a more interactive and cooperative way. The third is marketing strategies to overcome sales decline. They focused on creating engaging content on social media to attract buyers and introduce products. They also wanted to use interactive activities such as games to attract customers' attention. In addition, their desire to add value and differentiation to their services. So they want to offer a buy and learn concept. And the last is marketing optimization to reach the right audiences. Besides social media, they emphasize the importance of relationships is in introducing product. They believe that by establishing strong relationships with friends or other networks, they can expand their reach and increase brand awareness. Next, we will move on the next analysis is Bill Food and Drink Micro Enterprises. Okay, first is use of social media. The platform they use is Instagram. They only use Instagram, but they believe TikTok is more effective because of its wider reach. This shows that they have not fully utilized the potential of social media. Second is long-term marketing plan. They focus on spreading their brand to be better known, more about its business existence. The third is marketing strategies to overcome sales decline. They emphasize the importance of seller performance and direct interaction with customers to attract buyers. This shows that they rely on personalization and good service as the main strategies. The fourth is marketing optimization to reach the right audience. They prioritize the right time for marketing by arriving early to get ahead of competitors. This shows that they prioritize timing in marketing, especially to create interest before any competitors enter. Okay, next presentation will continue with Andara.
Okay, thank you. Next slide. Okay, next, the potato cheese Korean bread is the last micro enterprises. We analyze previous use of social media. The platform used are TikTok and Instagram. They consider TikTok to be most effective platform because it is more target in reaching their audience. Second, long-term marketing plan. They plan to join online platforms such as Gojek, Shopee Food, GrabFood to expand their product distribution. This so they are focused on ease of access and digital expansion. Three, marketing strategies. To overcome sales decline, their strategy was to participate in major events such as Business Expo and other popular events. The second, that they focus more on event marketing and expert at attention-grabbing events. Four, marketing optimization. To reach the right audience, the suggest choosing the right event and tailoring it to the relevant audience, such as looking of the audience and the term of the event. These show a more specific approach in choosing event that suit their audience. Next slide. And conclusion. Here's the conclusion we've got. First, social media. All micro entrepreneurship mention the use of Instagram and TikTok. With TikTok generally considered more effective in attracting a young audience and introducing product in a visual and creative way. For the long-term marketing plan, some enterprises, re- micro enterprises, some focus on physical expansion by adding outlets, while other focus more on collaboration and improving social networks. And then, effective marketing strategy, all micro entrepreneurship emphasize the importance of engineering content on social media and joining big events to increase their export. In addition, some focus on personalization and seller performance to attract customer. And four, marketing optimization. Micro-entrepreneurship focus more on the right teaming in marketing and choosing event or platform that are relevant to their audience. Overall, their priorities digital marketing, especially on social media, but have various approach in terms of long-term management, creative strategy, and audience optimization. We sincerely apologize as we were unable to find article and journal to support some of the opinion mentioned above. Okay, next slide. And last but not least, let me conclude this presentation with a thought-provoking quote by Joey Sarnoff. Good marketing makes the company look smart. Great marketing makes the customer feel smart. It's just not about searching how great are, but about comforting our audience, solving their problems, and marketing that value and capable. As we move forward, let's commit to creating strategies that not only reflects our expertise, but also reason they fly with our customer. Thank you for attention.
Udahnya.